Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital marketing tools in 2025. Get ready to explore the trending tools that will revolutionize the way we market in the future. So, let's kick off this journey with the top digital marketing tools that will dominate the year 2025. 1. Artificial Intelligence AI. AI will continue to be a game changer in digital marketing. It will help in personalizing content, improving customer experience, and analyzing data. 2. Augmented Reality AR. AR will enhance the customer experience by providing interactive and immersive content. It will be used in product demonstrations, virtual tours, and more. 3. Virtual Reality VR. VR will be a powerful tool for creating immersive brand experiences. It will be used in product launches, events, and customer engagement. 4. Chatbots. Chatbots will continue to be a crucial tool for customer service and support. They will be more advanced and able to handle complex queries. 5. Voice search. Voice search will become more prevalent, especially in mobile marketing. It will be used in search engine optimization and content creation. 6. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing will remain a powerful tool for brand promotion. It will be more targeted and personalized. 7. Video marketing. Video marketing will continue to be a top trend. It will be used in social media marketing, product promotion, and storytelling. 8. Social media marketing. Social media marketing will be more targeted and personalized. It will be used in content creation, advertising, and customer engagement. 9. Content marketing. Content marketing will remain a key strategy. It will be more personalized, interactive, and visual. 10. Analytics. Analytics will be more advanced and provide more insights into customer behavior. It will be used in data-driven marketing and decision-making. That's it for today's exciting journey into the future of digital marketing tools. Remember, these tools will help you connect with your audience better, understand their needs, and provide them with a better experience. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and stay ahead of the game.